Video content has become an ever-growing part of our daily lives. We are constantly exposed to videos on social media, on websites, and even on traditional television networks. This has led to the production of more video content than ever before, which in turn has led to an increase in video advertising. Why is video content important? Video content is undeniably one of the most important aspects of online marketing. Not only does it allow you to connect with your customers in a more personal way, but it can also help you to build brand awareness, drive traffic to your website, and gain a following. Video content has simply become essential for any business looking to reach and engage with the audience. There are different types of video content, but the most important ones are educational videos, informative videos, documentary videos, promotional videos, and entertainment videos. Educational videos are videos that help people learn new information. They can be used in both formal and informal settings, and are also used to teach a wide variety of topics. Informative videos can be defined as short instructional videos that provide a detailed look at a specific topic or offer tips on how to perform a certain task. They are typically created to educate and help people learn new information quickly and easily. These videos can be used for personal use, to help others, or even to promote your business. Documentary videos feature events that happen in real life. They are similar to news videos, but instead of focusing on reporting the facts, documentary videos often focus on exploring the subject matter in greater detail. Promotional videos are videos that are created to promote a product or service. They can be used in marketing campaigns to attract new customers and promote a brand. They can also be used to promote a product or service on social media platforms. Finally, entertainment videos are short entertaining films that contain comedy, drama, or other elements for the specific purpose of entertainment. They have become an increasingly popular format, with many users favoring them over traditional movies. Why is video content king? Video content is king because it engages users on an emotional level. The majority of people watch videos whenever they are bored or have time to kill, and video content is always easier to digest than text. How to become a video content creator? If you want to create engaging video content for your website or blog, there are a few steps that you need to know. Step 1. Determine your goal. This first step is crucial because it will help you determine the type of content you're making. Step 2. Find a niche. The key is to identify a topic that interests you and find sources of information about that topic. Once you have a good understanding of the topic, start creating content around it. Step 3. Determine your target audience. It is important to determine your target audience, as this will help you create video content that is relevant and appealing to them. Step 4. Build a content calendar. By creating a schedule of when and what types of videos you will create, you can ensure that your audience stays engaged with your brand. Step 5. Create video content. Plan out the things that you want to be included in your video and start creating one. Step 6. Publish your video. Step 7. Analyze results. And lastly, Step 8. Never stop learning. You should always be willing to learn new things, so you can keep up with the latest news and trends. Now that you already know how to be a video content creator, it's time to put these steps into action. As long as you apply these steps, you have nothing to worry about. We hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you want to learn more about video content marketing, click the link in the description below.